Hi guys, this is the YALE Y300/63mm. Yeah, it's a 6-pin padlock. As you can see, pin 6 is a pain in the arse to get at because of pin 5, pin 4, they're offsetting. One of the most difficult padlocks I've ever picked. There you go. Let's give it a go. Pin 5, 3, 4, 6. Doesn't feel set with that. Pin 4, slightly moved. Full set there, it's slightly touched number 2, slightly touched number 5, and that's gone as well. Movement there, pin 6, pin 2 again, find out false. The next one is sorry, pin 1, it's quite a low pin, so sorry, high pin, so I have to push it right over it, trying to lose this stack. There we go. Guys, I'm really surprised. This is about the 5th video to try and do this under a certain amount of time. It's a great puzzle. As you can see, pin 1 is probably the highest, which in fact it is. And to get to pin 6, don't forget that we've only got this bottom of this keyway here to get the pick in there to get number 6, and I don't know, I've done it to be honest about knocking 5. That's it guys, cheers, thanks.